Hey now, welcome to another episode of Coffee and Collectables. No mailbag today, as yesterday was the 4th of July. Happy belated 4th of July to everybody. Gonna do some random pack openings this morning with my coffee. I've got a 2019 Bowman paper set, another 2019 Mega Box pack. Still looking for that Wander Franco. Have the Moho refractor, but it would be nice to pull an autograph. And a little bit older pack, a Hometown Heroes pack that I bought a hobby box of. 3 autographs in there. Pulled the first 2 out already. Gary Gaetti and a Kent Herbeck. So there's some older players in here from when I was a kid that are interesting to see the players and get their autographs. Not the greatest looking cards, but the price was right and it's fun to pull some of the older players. So let's go ahead and start with the 2019 Bowman paper. You can get some chrome cards in here and first cards, which are fun. Let's see, Danny Jansen rookie card, Kyle Wright rookie card, which yesterday's pack that I opened of Top Series 2, I did get a short print of Kyle Wright, so I need to check to see prices, what it's going for on eBay, and maybe I'll list that. Michael Givens, Matt Carpenter, another Mikhail Franco, and that's torturing me. Every time I see the Franco, it's get a little excited, and then yeah, not so much, not much of a hitter, but anyways. Jonathan Hernandez first chrome. That's a cool card. Mingo Acevedo chrome. Keaston Hiera. He's off to a hot start, or at least was there. I don't know what he's been doing lately, but anyways. Let's go for this Hometown Heroes. Hopefully I checked the checklist on Cardboard Connection before I bought this. You can get like Nolan Ryan autographs and some very good older players. But like I said, I'm not too impressed with the way the cards look. They're all about like that, which not really my cup of tea. But anyways, Billy Butler, Tino Martinez, Rick Aguilera. There's a Boggs. I like Boggs. I always had a soft spot for lefty high average hitters. So Willie Horton, Ryan Sandberg. Liked him when I was a kid. I have his rookie card. Not in great shape, but I just like collecting the rookies. Kurt Schilling. Kent Herbeck got his rookie out of the box. Cole Hamels. Lance Parrish. Bobby Brenly, I think he's a manager for Arizona. See Barfield, George Brett, always a big fan of his. Again, high average lefties. Templeton. Dave Steeb. Conine, there's Conine. Like Conan looks like got the autograph coming up next. Ruben Sierra. Ruben Sierra on-card autograph. Pretty cool. Like Ruben Sierra, he had a really long career. Clayton Kershaw, it's a cool card. Mid Freeze. I was out of the hobby for a while, so some of those late 90s, early 2000s players don't really know much about them. Lance Berkman, Pettit, Goose Gossage got his rookie recently. Todd Helton, and Gary Sheffield from when he was on the Marlins. That's cool. Let's see, where was that autograph? Let's put that there. Alright, on to the last pack. There's that Bowman Mega box pack. I bought a lot of these on eBay. Been opening them up slowly. Pete Alonso Mojo, that's cool. Not a first or a rookie card, but pretty cool. Joe Adele, he's supposed to be a good player. Not a first, not a rookie, but still pretty cool. Jacob Nix rookie card. Don't know too much about him, but that's cool. Ryan Weathers and Blake Rutherford to round out the end of that pack. So kind of a miss again on that one, but what you gonna do? Those are the breaks. Yeah, so it's a pretty good pack opening. It's just fun to open packs with my coffee. If you fry it, I'll eat it. Anyways, keep checking the eBay store. There's new stuff going up almost weekly. Bowman Mega boxes will be up later this week. Also have Star Wars toys that are going to be going up from the late 90s Phantom Menace era. Other baseball memorabilia. Pretty much anything collectible, late 80s, early 90s, toys. Have comic books I'm going to be putting up on there. So lots of interesting stuff if you're 30-something like me. Anyways, have a wonderful afternoon. Enjoy your coffee. And we'll see you tomorrow. Stay classy. Ron Burgundy.